One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in a thousand lives, said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country, said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, adab. A colorful good morning to our principal madam, Mrs. Jacinta Bosco, founder, Mr. Don Bosco sir, Mr. Abhinav Dominic, Mrs. Maria Rose, my dear teachers, and my most lovable students, parents, and well-wishers. Today, I, Sangeeta from St. Mary's family, take this opportunity to welcome you all for this 75th Independence Day. First of all, I want to wish you all from the bottom of my heart the 75th Independence Day of our motherland. This is one of the precious days for every Indian because we got independence on 15th August 1947. We successfully completed our 74 years of independence and entered into the 75th year. So today, I cannot think of any other lines to describe what I am feeling right now. Whenever I hear the song, I feel elated and grim at the same time. हे मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा. हे मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा. ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा. ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा. पर मत भूलो सीमा पर, वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए. पर मत भूलो सीमा पर, वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए. कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर न आए, जो लौट के घर न आए. कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो घर लौट के ना आए, जो घर लौट के ना आए. So we celebrate this day every year to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters in rescuing our motherland from the clutches of the British Raj. This day also celebrated to showcase the importance of freedom and how much it costs. People who born after Independence Day are likely to take freedom for granted, and events like Independence Day reminds us how important and necessary freedom is. Independence Day also reminds us of our duties and responsibilities towards our nation. Today, on this auspicious day, I want to congratulate the 10th students of St. Mary's High School for the academic year 2021 and 22 for their sincere efforts in this pandemic situation. They have worked very hard to present to you all their skills and abilities. They all are here to remind us the revolutionary movements from 1857 to 1947. They have marvelously presented their exhibits in the form of models and paintings and also explained very well as a part of their social project. I congratulate Amulya, the social club secretary, assisted by Master Karthik Yadav and all his team members. A special thanks to Mrs. Josepha teacher and Mrs. Maria Rose and Mrs. Faraz Sultana teacher also for their cooperation and contribution. My heartfelt thanks to our principal ma'am for permitting to celebrate this day by giving the opportunity to the students to explore their talents. So finally, I conclude by saying, students, you are the citizens for tomorrow. So India is in your hands. How you want to progress, it's in your hand, because never think that what country has given to us. We have to think what we are going to give to the country. So fulfill your duties and responsibilities, children. Feelings of patriotism should be there in everyone's life, because today's generation, you don't know what is the true meaning of independence. Today what we are enjoying is just because of the sacrifices what the people have done, the great freedom fighters. Many of them have lost their lives. Today we just enjoy the day, the fruits of that day we are enjoying. But still, there are a lot of things to do. So let's all unite and do the great things to make our India to be a developed country. By this I end and saying Vande Mataram, Happy Independence Day once again, Mera Bharat Mahan. Thank you. So I am here again to present the names of the people who have participated in this exhibition with their marvelous talents and their models and paintings they have exhibited very well. And I want to invite our principal madam to mention the names of the winners, and also she is going to announce the most awaited, that is the leaders of 2021 and 22.
So are you eager? Very eagerly waiting for your prize distribution, yes? So here participants of art. The first prize goes to Nanda Kishore. First prize goes to Nanda Kishore in art. He has done wonderfully the art on the glass and on the glass bottle. Secondly, Akshaya, she bears the second prize. Same physics book, handbook only, and also a certificate. Then third, Navyasri for her art. And one more consolation prize is given to Lakshmi Vaishnavi. And from primary section, we have been told for card preparing, invitation card. So Arush third A bags the certificate as well as the prize. In the communication skills, two children have gone for taking interviews of the peasants because peasant movement is exhibited here. So Karthik Yadav and Karthik M. In the working skills of preparing the models, the first goes to Balaji. Balaji has prepared wonderfully the guns and the arms which were used by them those days, by the revolutionary people. And second, Kashmira and Aarti together they have done a model of peasant movement only, that is also. So that goes second rank. And the third goes to Chandana. She has done wonderfully all the flags beginning from 1857 to 1947. It's wonderful. So congratulations, Chandana. And a consolation prize goes to Omkar for his skill, and Santosh also bags another prize. Congratulations to all the winners and the participants. The participants are also awarded the certificates. So you can collect them from the office in this pandemic. So thank you for all the winners, especially 10th class students. Thank you. And social in charge teacher Sangeeta and Faraz Sultana, we extend our thanks to social club secretary Amulya and Karthik Yadav. Thank you. And here I am going to announce the list of the leaders of 2021 and 22. So this is the cabinet, school cabinet. School people leader, Master Nanda Kishore Reddy. Assistant, Kashmira and Lakshmi Vaishnavi. Are you really wondering, isn't it? Next, literary Master Karthik Reddy. Are you happy? Yes. Then give a clap. Doreen for English, Muskan for Hindi, Prashanti for Telugu. Then coming to Science Club, Miss Pranati and Master Balaji. And Maths, Sneha and Master Venkat Santosh. Very good. Social Studies, Amulya and Karthik Yadav. Sports, Kirtana and Master Chakradhar. Where are you, Chakradhar? Are you there? Oh, maybe you are wondering. Oh, my name is called there, isn't it? Cultural, Christina and Navyasri Goldie. So these three combination we are going to have this time, cultural items. So I hope all the leaders will cooperate with the management and the staff in exhibiting your talents and performing all activities of this year. Thank you.